These acacia stools with fun designs are perfect for people of all ages. With the Australian hardwood's renowned reputation for its long lifespan, this is a perfect thing to pass down through your generations, so your kids and grandkids can enjoy this as well. With these having a premium hand-finished design, these are perfect for anyone who wants to have a fun, unique design for their stools. And with these coming with a high quality stained and sealed finish, you don't have to worry about any messes with this being an easy clean product.